Okay, so we're still comparing slope, but this time instead of 2 functions, we've got 3. So there's nothing new. It's just we have a third function that we're going to need to compare. So for this question, it says which answer choice places the functions in order, and we want least to greatest, okay? And remember, we're looking at absolute values, right? So we don't care about the sign. So I'm going to start with the easy ones. So I'm going to start with function b. Now remember, it's y equals mx plus b. This is written in slope-intercept form. But look what they did. They did not separate the x from the fraction. So I'm just going to rewrite it. The fraction is negative. There's a 1 in front of that x, remember? So the fraction is negative 1/2. Then we have an x. Then we have a plus 3. So for function b, what number lines up with the m? Negative 1/2. So here's one of my slopes. Now I'm going to go to the next easiest one for me to do, and that is the graph. I need to find 2 points that I can use. So I'm looking for where 2 lines in the background cross, right? So let's see. Following this line, where's a point I can use? Gotta be careful. Here's a point. And let's see, it looks like here is a point. All right, so quite a few that I can use. Just gonna pick 2. It's rise over run, so I need to go up or down first. So I'm going down. And I'm going down by, we're counting by 1, so I went down 2, that's a negative. And then I'm going right 1. So function c, the slope is negative 2 over 1. So, so far from looking at absolute values, c is the biggest, b is the smallest. Now let's go to this last one. I have to use the slope formula because they gave me points. I'm just going to pick these first 2 ordered pairs. So this will be x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope formula, 6 minus 5 over 8 minus 4. So we have 1/4. All right. So in terms of least to greatest, the smallest function here, this is the smallest, and then 1/2 would be second, and 2 is the largest. Okay, so it should be, A, B, C. That's the order from least to greatest. So which answer choice is that? Answer choice A. And that's it for the think about it. We're going to go through an example together on the next slide.